one of the first tips and tricks that I mentioned to you is about blocks. So how many of you have ever encountered this situation? Let me share this file with you, that you need to explode a block. So usually we go to the modify, go to the explode command, select the block, and then when we hit enter, this is what happens. Usually we get a little bit intimidated about this, and we get a little bit disappointed because this is a block with attribute. We all know about blocks with attributes. So what happens when you explode a block with attributes, this is going to happen. It goes to the original attributes, the way that they set it up, whoever set it up, these attributes. So let me give you a tip and trick. Instead of exploding the block, if you need to explode it, you need to convert this block into regular, the simple elements. Use the command most of you might know, some of you might not knowing that this command exists, burst. If you use this command, burst, and select any block with attribute, once you hit enter, this is what happened. And now look at what is happening here. I have my original, the way that it was, text already set up. And there are text you can see here on my properties. There are regular text, and obviously all the other elements becomes just simple elements as they are. In this case, I have a line and a circle. So instead of exploding a block and then destroy the attribute, and then you have to redo the text that originally was there, use the burst command. I'm going to type it again. The burst command will help you to explode those blocks with attribute without actually deleting the original text. I have another block here with attribute. You can tell that there's a lot of attributes here in this title block. If I explode it, this is what is going to happen. I'm going to lose all of the information that I already inputted into the attributes. You don't want to do that. You want to use the burst command and then explode this block if it's needed, but you keep your original information set up as a text. Simple tip, very important, very good to use.
Netcom Learning helps customers build innovative learning organization by achieving a smarter workforce, adapting to change, and driving growth. We do this with a broad catalog of offerings, developing customized learning plans, and our global delivery capabilities. Since 1998, we have been empowering organizations with our managed learning services to help them reach optimal performance results and address challenges. We have 9 practice areas in which we specialize. They encompass people, process, and technology training. Today's presentation is from the graphics design practice area. We're celebrating our 20th year, and we are offering our best-in-class I-10 business certification training, and we bring you unbeatable 20th year celebration offer by giving you 50% off on some of our popular courses. Again, let me just repeat the upcoming courses that we have that you may be interested in joining. We have level 1, which is the essential, scheduled on March 12. We have level 1 again on the 16th, the intermediate or level 2 on the 19th of April, and the advanced on the 23rd. Team training can be customized as well and accelerated to meet your organization's specific needs. Contact us today to be connected to one of our learning consultants to help advise you on your specific needs. Email webinar@netcomlearning.com. Search our catalog at www.netcomlearning.com. Technical skills are necessary to empower your career, but do you need to improve or upgrade your leadership skills as well as to accelerate your career? Along with your technical abilities, develop the skills you need to manage yourself, others, and business better. Welcome to Starter Learning, a collaborative knowledge platform bringing the world's best business and leadership insights from Fortune 1000 leaders, best-selling authors, and Ivy League professors. Further, if you're interested in learning from the top American leaders, please log on to the e-learning platform, www.sarderlearning.com. Avail the special promotion meant for first-time users. Use your coupon code SARDER10 and begin your leadership journey now.